looking dude. Might just trap with you. Coming with the thunder, baby. Might just clap your crew.
What's up guys, it's me Angel, and today we are here with a new video. So today's video is actually going to be an old vlog that I recorded like a year ago. So last year I had to graduate from high school and my family came down from California to come surprise me for my graduation. So it was awesome seeing him here and like spending time with them. Never really came to Atlanta before, so my family decided to take him out to the Coca-Cola factory and show him around because, you know, it was like the first time here. So it's pretty much just me recording like my experience at the Coca-Cola factory. If you guys have never been, I suggest you guys go. It is dope. It's not too expensive, so it's like it's like a fun little experience to go enjoy. Quick warning: this was a year ago, so my vlogging skills were a little less to par, I guess you could say. I was kind of nervous, and I was really like I wasn't being me. I was like very like I was holding myself back. I was afraid people would judge me and look at me weird, but yeah, so I said a lot of cringy things back then, and you know, it was just kind of weird, but yeah, so other than that, hope you guys enjoyed it. Here's the video. So we're currently at the World Coca-Cola factory, and yeah, I thought I'd vlog it a bit on my iPhone, so it's the first time I've done it before. Hey, so this is my family. They came out from California. You guys see my other things. My other sister. So we up in here, World Coca-Cola.
Yep, that's right.
You know, it's been a while since I've been here. I'm thinking about it. Oh, okay, guys, I'll be right back. I gotta put my phone away and put it through the little beeper thingy. Over here. Wow, they changed it a lot from last time I was here. That's crazy. Look. How are you? I don't know. Can I have the green one? Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
See it? I look at that Coke bottle. It's green. You guys didn't know? Did they have seen the red and the green ones? The green one has natural sugars.
Like, yeah, it's cane sugar. That's
And then the red one is
syrup, right?
Yeah, corn syrup. It's pretty cool. So I think we're the way in line for the loft. We're the head in. And it's been a while since I played the camera and vlog. Not gonna lie. It's pretty cool. You excited, Mia? Last time we came here, we were young.
I was like his age.
I know what I'm saying. Yeah, we were young. I remember because they used to have a polar bear. Remember the polar bear they used to have? That was the Coca-Cola thing back then. But they changed it.
Like, so one thing I've noticed when we do this is that you want to look at yourself, but really you want to be looking at the camera.
Yeah, that's right. Because it looks weird.
Because
when you hold it like this, it looks weird. Because you're looking right here, so you look at the people. But it's like.
But then you can end up looking at yourself a lot more than anything.
Yeah.
Green one felt less carbonated.
It does, right? It feels less heavy too.
Yeah, it felt a lot less heavy.
Maybe because we're not drinking actual corn syrup.
Maybe.
But the loft finally opened up, so we're going in.
Hey, I don't even know what this is. I don't remember this at all.
I tell you, it used to be different back then. It was a lot more difference. Hello.
Free of charge.
So I'm gonna give you guys the full Coca-Cola experience through the camera. This thing is crazy. Look at this.
Welcome to the loft.
See, there we go.
Come on in, make your way on down, please. Come on down. Some of y'all can get in this area right
This is
here.
insane. Look at all these pictures they have. Look. Wow, go look at this.
Right here, those people can see over your head.
Hey, look, there's a lady. This is crazy. Look at this.
Make your way over there a little
They
bit.
have hella pictures here. Hey, look, they have more Coca-Cola.
Come on in. What you see
This
in
kinda
this
look weird.
room is over 100
Dude, look,
years of
that's the only-
artifacts in the world of Coca-Cola.
Dang, 100 years? That's crazy, bro. Oh. So we just finished a movie. It's pretty lit. I like it. What do you think about it, David? Like the movie, bro?
I'm on top of the world right now.
So apparently there's a whole bunch of attractions we can do.
I'm on top of it.
They're trying Coke.
So there's a whole bunch of attractions that we can do. Yeah, all right.
Looking impressive.
That movie's really good, actually. So we have a whole bunch of attractions to do right now.
All 100 Coke.
So I don't know which one we're gonna do first, but whatever which one we're gonna do, it's gonna be lit. Balance it. Oh, look at that.
That's pretty cool.
A fidget spinner.
Oh my god, look at that.
Son.
Oh, cool, look. All the gears and stuff. Ooh, look. Look how cool. Oh, dude, that left me. At the heart of the coca-cola, there is a secret. Well, I think we'll figure out that secret today, won't we? We're gonna figure out the secret to the coca-cola formula.
We're gonna do it.
We are gonna figure out the coca-cola formula.
This is creepy.
Oh man. Look at this, bro. Look what this is. Look at all these keys, bro. Hella.
This is mine.
And with that, we in. So let's get it. Ravioli. Hey, look at this. May 8th, 1886.
Ravioli.
Hey, look at that, man. Old deck. Wow. This thing's crazy, bro. So yeah. So we're here. We're gonna figure out the stuff. Look at that. Pop it open, Mia. Liquid glass.
Look, it closes automatically.
Look, like the way you look at it looks different. Like if you zoom in, like it's hella blurry, but look away, it's different. That's so weird. Look, they have hella artifacts in here. I don't know what you're doing here, but it looks kind of cool. I think it mixed things up.
Look, this is your back.
Let's see.
Look.
What is that?
Us. Look, camera right there.
Oh, dude, us? What the? Hey, try this. I know what it does though. Here, David. So this guy ends up owning Coca-Cola in 3 years, so, which is pretty cool. But yo, it's crazy. Hella. What the heck? So you can look at different things here. Look here. Oh, interesting. I don't know what this is though. I think it's him telling you the secret formula. What's in there?
Nothing was written down.
It's
All labels were removed.
That's crazy, bro.
Bum, bum, bum.
Going in. Secret formula.
Folks, come on in. Welcome to
I'm
the
excited.
chamber. The doors are
Let's see
now
what it
open
actually
for
is,
this
though.
presentation.
I have a feeling they want him with the actual formula also. Going in. Yo. Oh, okay. That makes sense. What you got? Big circular room.
You are here. The secret is near. Go ahead. Drink it in.
Yeah, really bright. Oh, dude, everywhere, dude.
We are Coke.
We are the Coke. It's so weird.
The ingredients. It's been you all along. That's a plot twist. I did not expect that. I did not expect that.
No, it's actually really creative. Kevin, you were the Coke the whole time.
We are the Coke.
Oh my god.
A secret formula for the most deliciously different taste the world has ever known. A secret formula for all that is, was, and ever will be. The heart.
So guys, it's taste test time. Asia's first. I want you guys to give me each of your, if you guys, what you think?
Oh, so it's just like carrots and onions or something. I don't know.
It's Japan, carrots and onions.
Hey, not that bad.
Not that bad.
It's good. It tastes good.
Oh wow. What do you think about it?
It's actually really good.
Girl?
This one? Yeah, it's actually really good.
Alright, I want you guys to do every single one. We're about to go see the 4D movie. And we're gonna come back to the taste test back here, but my sister wants to go see it. So yeah, it's really cool though because I heard there's like water and like the seats move and everything. So I'm hella excited, but let's get it. If we forget your glasses. Oh yeah, gang gang.
Ray-Bans. For who? Hey, look at that.
This is the best one. So we let us stay diversified, so we go to North America first, right?
It's like super watered down Coke.
Dang. Hey, we're gonna try. Which is that? Fused tea.
Passion fruit. This tastes like carbonated Kool-Aid.
All right, guys, that's the end of the tour. I had a lot of fun. Experience at the Coca-Cola factory was pretty cool. There's a lot of times I couldn't film like the movie part. I wanted to film it, but the ride was hella bumpy and it was alright. But I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me too. I know it was a shorter vlog, but my family's in town, and you know I just haven't had much time because I've been too busy spending time with them. And I had graduation practice and a whole bunch of stuff happening. But I'll keep you guys updated later in the future of what's gonna happen. So I'll see you guys next time. Hope you guys are having a great day and peace.